खोलने का एक एग्जाम्पल है। क्या केरला का एक टाउन से, कोचिन से वहाँ बैठकर वो नाइजीरिया में, अभी आप इतना बड़ा नेटवर्क वहाँ गए बिना, ओनली आफ्टर मार्केट ओपन यू वेंट, आई नो वंस, वो आपका ऑनलाइन का स्पॉन्सरिंग के कारण से, जूम मीटिंग के कारण से कैसा आपने किया, वो स्टोरी को हमको आज दुनिया में सभी जगह में हमारा लोग है, सभी जगह में हमारा इंडियंस है, और आपका जो टीम में आज ज्वाइन हो गया है सभी लोकल नाइजीरियंस. So it is not the question of we required an Indian to build the business. A DXN system, one world, one market, one world, one ideology, one world, one bonus, one world, one business. ये सभी डॉक्टर लिमसियोजिन ने जो सिंक्रोनाइज किया है ये वन वर्ल्ड मार्केट का सिस्टम से, वो तो आपने प्रैक्टिकली प्रूव करके हमको मॉडल दिया है. वेलकम टू मिस्टर प्रदीप कुमार फ्रॉम वाइकम, केरला, एग्जीक्यूटिव स्टार डायमंड. Yes. Okay. So now I think after shall I conclude it in English later? Sorry, Hindi later, or in between you want?
No, sir. I think thank you so much for giving this platform, and sir, I think I don't. Most of the people can follow my language.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, because
I will only wind up with the conclusion.
yeah. See, the thing is,
Yes, yes.
I studied only in Malayalam medium schools and college, and I never studied out of our state. And so I'm speaking normal English, and anybody can follow my language.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
You go ahead.
Right. So let us start the program now. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think it's, you can see properly, correct? Okay. So thank you. First of all, I would like to say thanks to our beloved CEO, Dr. Lim Seo Jin, and for giving such a wonderful opportunity to help people around the globe for their health benefits as well as wealth benefits. Thank you, Dr. Lim. And also, I want to say thanks to Dr. Rajesh Savera for giving a training, Shunya training, and a doctor gave me the training, and of course, Rajesh Savera also teach me a lot for the training session we had in Siddipet, Hyderabad. So, and of course, it's a great, it's a big thank to our first Crown Ambassador of India and my mentor, advisor, and overall the founder of RVC. And thanks to Ratna ma'am also, because I didn't have, I didn't get, more chances to attend professor's classes. But I remember when professor came to Kerala in 2017, during that time I didn't have any job. So I went to meet professor, and my upline leader, Mr. Sirajuddin, introduced me to professor. And the professor was asking about me, and I said I started prospecting the people around the globe, and you already motivated me on that day itself. From that day, you are contacting me personally and sharing your experiences and valuable advices, and thank you so much for that. And Ratna ma'am also, I attended 2-3 meetings in Bangalore and Hyderabad, and definitely it's it's like a feast if you attend Ratna ma'am programs. So thank to all of both of you. And I would like to say thanks to our international marketing director, uh, Rafiq sir. At the same time, I want to remember Gigi sir for many support. Both of them extended many support for developing my business around the globe. Even now, also, I am trying to do some business in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Nepal. And Rafiq sir extended his very supporting, help for finding, getting the contacts in these countries. And of course, Gigi sir helping me a lot. Thank you so much, both of you. And I want to say my grand upline leader, Mr. Sirajuddin. Actually, Mr. Sirajuddin is not a leader for me. He's like a family member. You can see he's with my kids. And definitely, he helped me a lot during my difficult situation. And he used to visit my family. And, it was like a brother feel. And thank you, Suraj sir. And Mr. Ajit, my upline senior star diamond, he's a very supporting guy, and he's calling me every day, and he's telling, explaining how to build your team from the beginning. Otherwise, after some time you'll be in trouble. So you have to focus on this areas. So he's giving me very valuable advices from the beginning. So thanks, Ajit sir. So, and I wanted to say thanks to our PIC in Kerala and the PICs of Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka. So thanks to Vijay sir and Vignesh sir and Suji sir and all the people you supported me a lot, during for the past few months when I travel in this states. And of course, thanks to Rahul sir, our marketing manager. So thank you all. If I miss anybody, this is, I'm really sorry, but I remember many people helped me during my difficult situation. So thank you all. So let us go to our subject, how to build your DXN business globally. First, I don't have any additional stories. So what I'm going to tell you is from my experience. I become as a consumer first because one lady called Shantamma Sulaiman introduced DXN coffee in our family. I don't bother about. I never heard about this coffee. See, we are drinking tea daily basis from my childhood. So one day immediately the tea changed to coffee, but I didn't feel any bad taste because the coffee taste is much better than tea. So we didn't ask why you changed the brand or why changed tea to coffee. Then after a few months, I got many experience after having DXN coffee. Then what I did is I went to meet the lady who distributed the products to my family. Then I realized that it is from a network marketing company called DXN. So I scared to join with the DXN. That I didn't have what is DXN actually at that time. So I become a consumer because they said if you are getting a membership, you will be getting the products in discounted price. So I went for becoming a registered consumer. Then I started consuming it in my family, and we changed all the products, like even the health drinks like a Boost, Horlicks, and all that. And we changed, and we started buying Kokoshi. So there are plenty of health testimonies happened in my family alone. Then after that, I started distributing to the neighbors and my colleagues, friends, family, like that. So this is the pattern actually. If you want to do DXN in the proper way, first you have to become a consumer and consume it. Consume it in your family and give to your nearby people. So it will take you as the next level called a distributor. So you'll be, on the way to networker. So I become a distributor. Then after that, then you can say it's network business. So first consumer, distributor, then networker. So this is what I experienced. And of course, the law of average. Because all the business based on law of average. If you want to do a business, if you want to get more prospect, if you want to sell your products to more people, you have to follow law of average. So I'm going to tell you an example. You can see a mango tree is full of flowers. So if you go to the tree next day, now you can see billions of flowers. So that means the flowers is going to be the mangoes tomorrow. So there are billions of flowers. If you go to the next day, you can see there are lakhs of or millions of flowers lying down. So that means it's gone. That flower is already gone. They are not the part of that tree anymore. It's already gone. And the small picture, you can see a bunch of flowers. That in that bunch alone, you can see thousands of flowers. But if you go to tree again after a week, you can see maybe maximum 5 or 6 or 10 tender mangoes started growing out of thousands of flower from a bunch. Only 10, less than 10 mangoes. But if you go to the next week or after 2-3 weeks or 1 month, you can see very few mangoes, maybe less than 500 mangoes. And when you harvest, you will be getting hundreds of 200 or 300 mangoes out of billions of flowers. Only this much. Even after the harvesting time, you have to remove some mangoes like this. You cannot use this. You have to segregate from the harvested mangoes, and you'll see the billions of flowers. Then it turned to lakhs of small mangoes, and when it started grown, this thousands of mangoes only. When you harvested, only hundreds of mangoes, and again you have to go segregation. You cannot use this kind of mango, and finally you will be getting very good quality, maybe 100 or 200 mangoes from billions of flowers. Because in this industry or in any business, everything based on the numbers. Business is a number game. For example, if you are looking your business, you will ask yourself that how many PV I managed, how many group PV I have, how many DGP I have, how many people qualified, how many of them become star agents, how many of them become star diamonds, how many thousand I received as bonus. So everything based on number game. It's a number game. So if you want to be a successful person in any business, be quick to meet maximum people to share your opportunity or idea. So whatever you are going to tell to the others, you have to be quick to meet maximum people and never focused in convincing subject, focused on meeting more people. Because if you are everybody is preparing a list. Once you join a DXN or any network marketing company, they will be preparing a list, and they will be going through the list they prepared. Once they approach a person, they will tell you like this is not reliable, so I don't have any time, so I don't have money, let me get my salary, I will think about it. So this I'm not in a good mood. So there are many excuses. But if you explain this business to a person, you can visit him one more time. Then after that, see, I never call a prospect after my second call. So if he's not comfortable, and if he's not ready to join this business, that means he will take time. So let him think. But I don't have time to wait for him. I want to find the other people. So what you have to do is never focused in convincing the subject, I mean the business what you are going to explain. Just inform him, this is the opportunity. If you want to do, you can do. I can extend my support or services, whatever you require. But your focus always finding the new people. I know there are many people telling me that I already explained this business to somebody 6 months back, and today also I explained to him, and tomorrow also I am going to meet him. So what's the use of meeting the people like that? So forget them. Let them think for 1 month, 1 week, 10 years, 20 years. That is his decision. But our focus always on meeting more people. Increase your failure rate to increase your success rate. So I explain you that you are meeting some people, and many of them will say no, or they will be giving you some excuses like no money, this is scam, this is fraud, somebody put you in trouble, why you are doing this, you have a good job. So that is also failure rate, the demotivation. If you are meeting more people, definitely you can increase your failure rate. At the same time, you can increase your success rate. So meet the people. That's a very important thing in this industry. If you are meeting 100 people in a day, you are a successful person. And success and failure, it is not in two directions. Success is right side and failure is left side. So nobody will choose the left side, everybody will go turn to right to reach success. But never. Success and failure always on the same path. So you have to face failures, and you have to face a lot of things to reach the success point. So meeting is very important thing. So you are doing even one-to-one also. And now there is no possibility to conduct a big meeting, big gathering. So you focused on meeting new people through see, thing is if you are doing, so just forget about COVID, it recently came. But normal time, how many personal meeting can be done in a day? As a human being, we cannot fly and attend 5, 6, 10 meetings in a day. See, I am in Cochin, so I can go up to maximum 20 kilometers. I can conduct a meeting. After that, I can go to the next place like 20, 25 kilometers, and I can conduct a meeting there. And if I am extraordinary, I can go for 1 or 2 meetings. But the whole day I have to travel here and there. But can you imagine, you can conduct 10, 15, 20 meetings in a day. Now I'm doing 12, 14 meetings in a day, from morning 11:30 to night 2:30. Sometimes leadership meetings, new distributor training, and one-to-one also. So it is not impossible thing here right now, because we can conduct 20-25 meetings in a day. Yes, we can do that. How we can do that? Through social media. Everybody have a laptop or iPad or desktop or mobile phones, and internet is very cheap now. You can use this opportunity, because in the intro video I said I lost my job in 2017 and I started finding new jobs, sometimes daily wages also, to support my family. But during that time I started working in DXN in a very serious manner, but I don't have money, because I don't have job. I don't have money at all. So I thought, and I have a car, but I don't have money to fill petrol and meet a new person. I don't have a bus fare also. Even I don't have bus fare to go to the nearby place and discuss about DXN. Then I thought, I have a computer at home. I thought, and internet is like 100 rupee, I can manage a month. So I started finding the prospect through social media, because of I don't have money to go somewhere and meet a person. Actually, this was the motivation. Nobody give any training to find a person through social media. But the situation made me to find somebody, and I wanted to bring somebody into my business. I wanted to grow, and I didn't have money for the initial payments. But because of that, I started finding the prospects. Now, and after that, you can connect to the world, because everything is in your fingertips now. You can do anything and get the reply immediately, and you can before it was like it will take a few hours, if you send email and they will be reading it and replying you back. It will take a couple of hours time at least, if they are doing on time also. But here everything is in your hands. You can connect to the world easily. This is, see, when you listen me, you will be in a very happy mood, because I'm talking about a different way of prospecting. But don't think that this is an easy job. I will tell you my story. So you can see this picture. There's a man started digging to find the diamonds. So the first man is, very seriously trying to dig, and see the second person. He was almost there, but he thought that everything. So my all energy gone. I was digging the whole month, maybe months or more than that. He started digging, and he reached near to the diamond. But he thought, so there is no need to continue. There is nothing here, and he's going back. I want to connect my story to this slide. I told you I started prospecting from mid of 2017, and it is not a simple thing. You can find the prospect from abroad. I waited about 11 months to get my first prospect, first member. That means not like a normal time. I used to communicate with these people. I started from, I told you, I was spending about more than 20 hours in a day to find the prospect from different part of the world. And I used to, and after my dinner, 9 o'clock or 9:30, I started prospecting. Then it will go like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock sometimes. And when I went to sleep by 2 o'clock or 3, you know what I will do? I put my mobile phone, I connect the audio jack to my computer speakers, and I used to shut down the computer, but my mobile phone, I used to connect the audio jack to the speakers, and I put the speaker on with the maximum sound. Because if somebody contacting me, even in my deep sleep also, if I get a message on my WhatsApp or Messenger, I want to get up. I want to answer that person. So this was my trial, and after 11 months, so my wife also asked me after 2-3 months, then why you are spending your all day, even night and day, you are spending time in front of the computer. You are losing your health, and no money is coming. Then why you are spending your time here? But 11 months, I got my first profit. Then I started educating him, and slowly, I got some people. And now in Nigeria, I have more than 4,900 members, and my entire team in 59 countries. And now I am contacting all the people, for one-to-one trainings, and I'm sure I can bring all them back to the business. So this is the story behind me. So don't think that this is an easy job. This everything never happened in an overnight. So the pain is very tough, and the important thing is, when you are starting to prospect somebody through social media or online, you have to be well versed in 3 things. The first one, you have to know about the company, the people behind the company, their intention, what are the services our company is giving to the public. So you have to know everything about your company, because you don't have time to call your upline and ask if some prospect ask something about the company products or marketing plan, something. So you have to answer instantly. So you need a very good knowledge about the company. And second one, products. So what are the products and the usage of the products? So everything you have to know. And the third one, marketing plan, because the prospect is listening you to know what he's going to get from this business. So you have to explain all the stages of our marketing plan. Especially when you go up, you have to go through the leadership bonus. You have to explain that. Then only you can bring the people. The leadership bonus is very vast. If you look into leadership bonus, then you can understand how big the passive income is coming up. So you have to explain all these things: retail profit, group bonus, development bonus, leadership bonus, international profit share. All these things you have to explain. So you need everything in your mind. You don't have time to ask your upline for your clarification. You don't have time. And if the prospect smells that you don't know anything, he will go. He never come back. So it's a very important thing. And if you are getting somebody through social media, give brief introduction about the opportunity in a capsule form. After that, you can bring them to training groups or WhatsApp groups. There are plenty of opportunities now. You can contact through WhatsApp group, or you can invite them for Zoom meeting. And after that, give proper training and build them as leaders. So you have to focus on the last word. You have to make them as leaders. Never treat them as a downline or a member, they are the leaders. So you treat them as leaders, give maximum training, build them as leaders. Then you can simply, enjoy. Otherwise, you have to answer everything. They will be disturbing you always. What is this? What is this? What is that? So you explain everything and build them as leaders. So the income part of DXN. Income part of DXN is, I'm not a big person to explain all these things because I recently started working in DXN. I recently, enjoying DXN business, income from DXN. And I explained in my video that I started, and the professor also explained you. I joined in 2009. After 10, 11 years, I get into the industry and get into the business. So when I come back to DXN again, I was a star agent. Then most of you know that there is a new country started in Nigeria. We started office there, and fortunately, because of some hard work, I was able to create some people. It is not a big figures, but 4,900 is nothing because it's a very huge country, and they are not active at all. See, 4,900 members, but very 100 or 150 members started working. So I'm trying to meet the people again to motivate them. So I'm started getting some very small amount now. I cannot tell you that it's a big money or something, but let me show you the income I received in the past few months. So in September, in August, my income was like 2,000 or 3,000 rupees, because I have some people started working in Bangalore, Belgaum, and Goa, and Tamil Nadu. So I don't have any members purchased in from Nigeria, because we started in mid of October in Nigeria. So in September, my income was like 21,000, and I was a star agent. And in October, my income raised like 33,000, and I became a star rupee. And November 1st, we officially opened in Nigeria, and that month I got something 42,000 rupees. And in December, I become a star diamond. So 10 years I was a star agent, and after that, September, October, November, December, in 3 months time, I become a star diamond. And when I become star diamond, my income was something 65,000 Indian rupees. And in January 2020, it came up to 72,000. And February, it comes 81,000. And March, it came up to 1,05,000 rupees all in. And April, there is a short of few amount because of the COVID. And March, May, like 1.10, 1,10,000, and June it become 1.3 plus, and international profit share. So this was my income so far, and I become a star executive star diamond in last month, and now I have a star diamond. And I want to show you some people who already enjoying in my team. When I started prospecting in Nigeria, I was I went through the Wikipedia to know more about Nigeria, what Nigeria exactly is. And I went through other sources like Google, YouTube, and all that. And I understand that Nigeria is having this much of state, 36 states, and which are the state having more GDP, or where the richest people living, where the most populated cities, which are the international airports, wherever the airport is small, even the domestic airports there, and how many big hotels in each and every city, and what are the normal programs happening in those hotels, and is there any network marketing companies program is happening. So I went through different areas, and I was collecting information about Nigeria. And I also I asked the normal salary of a government employee. So for example, a policeman or a teacher or a clerk or somebody is getting 70,000 naira to 100,000 naira. So that is the salary of a government employee. I checked with the Nigerians also after visiting them. So they said it is the correct figure, and I promised them, whoever has listened me. See, I contacted many people. See, I told you about the law of average. During this last 2-3 years, I contacted more than 4 lakh people through social media. More than 4 lakh people. And so, do you think everybody will listen you? If you are meeting 4 lakh people, you'll be getting maybe 400 people will reply you. Don't think that 400 will become your members. Only 400 people will reply you. Hello, how are you? Okay, let me. You please explain what is your product. So you never expect that you'll be getting more inquiries. You'll be getting very small percentage, and many of them said, "You are a scammer. Don't come to us." And many people blocked me in Facebook and WhatsApp. Said, "You are a scammer." Nobody listened me. Very, 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 very few people listened me, and those people are enjoying now. Now, in my team, more than 35 people earning more than 3-4 times of government employees' income in just 5 months. Just imagine, in 5-6 months, their income turned up to more than 4 times, 5 times of a government employee. And 30-40 members are getting like 100,000, 120,000. That is more than salary of a government employee. And I have a diamond now, Dr. Mayer. He's getting, how much? Last month, he got more than 10 times of a gazetted officer's income in Nigeria. He earned in just 6 months. He never worked for 10, 15, 20 years in 6 months' time. This is the important factor, how you work. There is no need to worry. When you joined, how you work. That is the important thing. So many people telling me that, "Sir, you already started your office in Nigeria 6 months back. What I can do? The company is already started." Then I used to tell them that I joined in this company after our 10 years of official opening in India, because in India DXN started in year 2000, and I become as a member in 2009. And now after 10 years you are going to join, you can also enjoy more, because your work, your passion, your dedication So these things are the factors how you can reach to the top of the ladder. There are plenty of opportunities in this company. You use it properly, and we have a very efficient and elaborate marketing system, and very hardcore professionals with us. And we have product availability in this much of country. I thought, I'm basically from a small town in Kerala. I was doing my business in my nearest, in my vicinity, only in some few kilometer circle. Then 1 year back, 2 years back, when I lost my job, I thought I'm working with an international company, and why I'm spending my time and effort only in my village. And we have a beautiful system called One World, One Market. Why we are not using it? Why are we spending the same person, meeting the same person again and again and again for telling your business idea? Why you are not changing your concept? The company gave you a very huge platform. So I felt that, just imagine if you have a football ground in your near town, and how many team can play there in that ground? Only 2 teams. For if it is a football match, only 2 team, 11 members, and only 2 goalposts. You have to play there in that particular area. But just you imagine, there are 100 teams come and to play in the same ground, and they put football posts here and there, and all these people playing in that ground. So anybody can hit in the right target? No, because if you kick to somewhere, it will go to the other goalpost. So you just go away from your place. Find the prospect. Use the concept One World, One Market, and implement that your strategy also. Use your ideas, and because in DXN you can do anything, because the company already give you a system. Whatever strategy you can apply, you can work. You are sitting in here in Mumbai, and you can do business in Uzbekistan or Peru or Ecuador or Australia. So use that opportunity. Now everything is in your hands. So this is, but you have to find out the solutions. For example, I will tell you, after this session, I know not only after this session, I have getting many inquiries, not only from India, from many countries. How you got the prospect? I will tell you an example. I'm here in Kerala. I'm in Cochin. I wanted to go to Shilpa DXN office in Bangalore tomorrow. Or I don't have any idea when I want to go. My vision is I want to visit Shilpa Enterprises. Maybe whenever I get time. I have many options. I can start walking from here. So it will take maybe 1 week time or 10 days time. Or I have a cycle. I can go by bicycle. And if you go by scooter, that's also an option. And you can go by public transport, by bus or train. And if you have money, you can go by flight also. So that is your interest, how you approach the people. The internet is very vast. Don't run behind only Facebook. Don't run behind only Instagram and all the other applications. There are plenty of opportunities. Like there are calling applications. There are many flirting apps also. So the people are used to find the opposite sex. But we can use it for developing our business also. So wherever any opportunity, you use it and use the that facility for your business, for building your business. This is the only. This is the very huge opportunity, but many people tried, and it required adequate follow-up and your dedication. Because I told you, when I went to sleep by 3 o'clock or 2:30, I used to connect my mobile to my speakers, because I want to answer them if somebody contacted me, even in my deep sleep. So this is the opportunity. Use it, and definitely you can reach the top of the ladder. So this is the end of my presentation. Once again, thanks to Dr. Lim, and this is one of my proudest moment in DXN. So I never think that I can contact Dr. Lim personally, and I never imagined that I can meet him very close. And when I become Star Diamond, and before that, I made a very good setup, big team in another country, a new country. So Dr. Lim was also happy in the developments in Nigeria. So I asked him personally, sir, my ambition is I need to get my Star Diamond pin, because this is the beautiful, the most precious level in DXN diamond. Then after that, you are multiplying, you are making new diamonds. So this is the diamond position is the most interesting, and the main position in DXN, I believe, is the Star Diamond position. So I asked Dr. Lim, sir, my ambition is I want to get the pin directly from you. Then he said, no, Pradeep, I am also happy. You come and bring a pin. So I requested Rahul sir, and I shared my ambition to Rahul sir. So the next day itself, he arranged the pin, and I received the pen from our Cochin office, and I went to Hyderabad to meet him for attending the next session of Shunya. Then he gave me this opportunity. And of course, I wanted to tell you, I mentioned in my video, see, the Shunya, Shunya gave me plenty of energy to do the business massively, because it gives me confidence. So as I know, some people already doing Shunya practice in different part of our country. So go with that, and you'll be getting more confidence what you are selling. And of course, once again, thanks to our Maha Guru, Professor Vasubal sir, and thank you so much. And I wanted to thank the people behind the RVC channel, especially Agarwal sir, and many people, Priyaranjan sir. There are plenty of people working behind this great platform. So thank to all. And I wanted to extend my congratulations for those people. They are big leaders, but I want to congratulate them for coordinating all the activities of RVC. So thank you, Professor, and thank you so much. This is the end of my show, and definitely I will come back to you after a couple of months' time. I will come back to you with a very big result, and definitely we will talk again. Thank you so much.
Sure. You not only you come back again and again. I know that what you have shown the real result, Pradeep.
Yeah.
This is just in 6 months. The 6 months you can reach.
Yeah.
1.33 lakhs income. This is a real model. That is what I wanted to show.
Yeah.
Because we were discussing about the star agents getting 10,000, 15,000. We wanted to bring them to the show. This I did not tell anybody. Even I didn't reveal that to Mr. Agarwal also. It was in my mind that there will be a big jump in your income.
Yeah.
Once you become the diamond, I was knowing, because your team was growing so fast, so big.
Yeah.
And though you have been there in DXN last 10 or 11 years.
Yeah.
Your real work started only just about a years back, and that too, the volume work started after opening the Nigeria.
Yeah, exactly.
Before that, you had only recruitment.
Yeah.
And prospecting and making the people to join.
Yeah.
But with this small numbers, it is because in network marketing, 4,000, 5,000 people under one network is not a big number. In that, I don't know how many are active.
Yeah.
Who are doing the at least minimum PV of 100 points in Nigeria, 1,000 points here, or 300 in Nigeria international points, and 3,000 here. How many? Because that is the important thing. अभी जो आपने करके दिखाया है ये मॉडल, अभी आपका वो जो जुनून, मेनली द फायर, हम कभी भी बताते हैं नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में, फायर इन द बेली. जब तक आग नहीं है स्टमक में, आग, वो काम नहीं करेंगे. आपको आग लग गया जब यू लॉस्ट योर जॉब. उस समय तक आपके अंदर आग नहीं था. यू वेर इन द कंफर्ट जोन, बिकॉज आपने सोचा अभी अच्छा सैलरी है, अच्छा इनकम है, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. मोर ओवर यू वेर negative, conservative about the network marketing, and you were forced to get into the field. Why you are lost job? आपने कब काम से बाहर निकला, आपको इस तरह का हो गया, आप फिश आउट ऑफ वाटर. इसीलिए आपको वो करना ही है, अल्टरनेटिव सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. अभी कोई जॉब का चांसेस नहीं है. अभी जॉब इस तरह, वो कंपनी बंद हो गया. कंपनी बंद हो गए के बाद आप इतना फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गया, आप सोचा आपको कोई कुछ अल्टरनेटिव करना है. उस समय आपका दिमाग खोला DXN के ऊपर. दिमाग खोलने के बाद जो आपने सब कुछ जो ऑनलाइन में किया है, वो मैंगो थियरी, आपका मैंगो थियरी, बहुत आम का थियरी, बहुत अच्छा वो है. आपको सभी को सब आम नहीं मिलता है, and we have to wait for those good mangoes, which ultimately we may get 100, 200, 500 or 1,000 depending on the tree. So आपने never focus on convincing. वो तो बहुत अच्छा आपका पॉइंट है. कन्विंसिंग को हम जाकर 10 लोगों को पकड़कर 10 बरस में उसके पीछे लगता है, वो कहीं भी मुंह नहीं हो गया, वो ही भागता है, हम भी उसके पीछे भागता है, वो आ भागता है और एक भागता है, और 2 दिन के बाद में वो बताता है कोई डेट, हम अगेन फोन करता है, वो कुछ भी नहीं करता है. वो बताता है नेक्स्ट मंथ में, अभी बताते हैं गणेश चतुर्थी के बाद में, गणेश फेस्टिवल आ गया, बाद में बताता है अभी नवरात्रि होना, नवरात्रि में अच्छा मुहूर्त आएंगे, वहां करेंगे. नवरात्रि हो गया, अगेन फोन करते हैं नवरात्रि में. उसी वो इस तरह का जो मिस्टेक नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में मेजॉरिटी करता है, ये फ्रस्ट्रेट होकर वो सोचता है ये सिस्टम काम नहीं करता है. जो आपने किया है, you have not focused on convincing, find new people. नया लोग को आप दो, या नया लोग को, कितना नया लोग को, 4 लाख लोग, बाप रे, 4 लाख लोग आप कॉन्टेंट, 40,000 भी नहीं, 4,000, उसमें आपको इतना अच्छा अभी आम मिल गया. वही है सिस्टम. बिकॉज सी यू कैन ऑलवेज, आपने ये फिजिकली कॉन्टेंट हजारों नहीं, 10, मैं बताता हूँ, ये यूट्यूब में चैनल में अभी लोग देखे तो दुनिया में कितना लोग देख सकता है, हजारों लाखों भी देख सकता है. अभी मैं थोड़ा दिन के पहले डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प, उसका ऑनलाइन स्पीच था, अमेरिकन इंडिपेंडेंस डे, मैंने छुप के गया यूट्यूब के अंदर, वो यूट्यूब में डाला था. लाइव मैं देखता हूँ। फर्स्ट मीटिंग बिगिनिंग में 7,000 8,000 था, है 15-20 मिनट के बाद में 15,000 20,000 25,000 30,000, अभी बाप रे वो वेंट अप टू 60,000 ऑनलाइन व्यूइंग, एवरी मिनट 5,000 पीपल जंपिंग। अभी हमको ये 50,000 1 लाख लोगों को रीच होने के लिए कोई खर्चा है, हॉल ढूंढना है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ओवरहेड देखिए कुछ है। अभी मैं बताता हूँ, बेवकूफ लोग, सॉरी टू से बेवकूफ है वो लोगों ने जो बिजनेस। अभी मैं बताता हूँ, एवरी डे मैं मेरा ट्रेनिंग के लिए, आपको मालूम है आपने मेरा ट्रेनिंग के लिए आने को कितना मुश्किल, कहाँ ट्रेनिंग आता है, आप भी फोन किया सर, वेर इज योर।
Yes, I attended 3-4 sessions. I think one session in Kerala and 2 sessions in Bangalore and 2 sessions in Hyderabad. So I came
For
and
that you
attended.
fixed the time. You asked me where is the meeting, how much time you have to. You came by flight that time. You have to find the time, money, transport, सभी। अभी मैं बताता हूँ, every day 7 o'clock. I am telling our distributors 7 p.m. every day I am coming to your house. Every house. Wherever they are in Africa, America, Australia, Europe, anywhere. It is free. If they just press the button, YouTube, online. Abhi, now you have encashed that system. That is the beauty. You have really encashed that online distribution marketing system, DX anta जो online opportunity, online sponsoring, online recruiting, online prospecting, online training, everything through technology. You have encashed the technology. That is the beauty. Many have not encashed. That is the they are sitting in only one small corner. One small town. वहाँ वही को पकड़ता है, मामा को पकड़ा, मामा ने बताया नहीं, मच्चा को पकड़ा, वो बताया नहीं, ब्रदर को पकड़ा, वो बताया बेकार है, गेट आउट। ये नेगेटिव में दे आर बेटिंग। एंड यू हैव, वर्ल्ड इज बिग, 7.3 or 7.5 billion population. What is there reaching anybody? Hence meet more people. आपने बताया the law of average, increase your failure rate, वो भी बहुत अच्छा आपने बताया, increase your failure rate। और पर्सनल मीटिंग के बारे में बताया, 20 से 25 पर्सनल मीटिंग फिजिकली हम नहीं कर सकता। नहीं। एक दिन को एक मीटिंग करना बहुत मुश्किल, बाहर गए थे। लोकल है तो 1 or 2 मीटिंग कर सकता है।
But in through Zoom you can do more than 10-20 meetings.
Technology, आपने बताया, you told, अभी आई एम ट्रांसलेटिंग ए जिस्ट ऑफ योर दिस, 25 मीटिंग आपने, 20-25 मीटिंग थ्रू जूम पर डे, BOM, NDOP, प्रोडक्ट ट्रेनिंग एंड नेटवर्क ट्रेनिंग, मार्केटिंग प्लान, सबको आप दिया सोशल मीडिया को यूज करके। आपने यूज्ड योर ओनली द कंप्यूटर, लैपटॉप, सिटिंग एट होम, नॉट गोइंग, बिकॉज आपको बाहर जाने के लिए भी पैसा नहीं था। अभी तो घर में एक कंप्यूटर ऑलरेडी था, उसका कॉस्ट नहीं है। इंटरनेट का बताया 100 रुपया पर महीने में उसको इन्वेस्ट करके 1,40,000 आप कमाने का अभी शुरू हो गए। तो 6 महीने में देखिए पावर ऑफ DXN, वन वर्ल्ड वन मार्केट। इसलिए फाइंडिंग द prospect through social media, it happened because आपके पेट में आग लग गया एंड आपने सिस्टम को अंडरस्टैंड किया। आप दुनिया को कनेक्ट कर सकता है थ्रू दिस सोशल मीडिया इजीली। एंड आपने नेगेटिव नहीं बना। वहाँ लोकल हम फ्रेंड को पूछेंगे, रिलेटिव को पूछेंगे, कलीग को पूछेंगे, वो कोई बताए तो नेगेटिव बताए, वे अननोन पर्सन, तुम कुछ भी बताओ, आपको स्कैम स्टार बताया, आपको गाली दिया, आपको ब्लॉक किया, तो भी यू आर नॉट बॉदर्ड। आपको चाहिए ये फिल्ट्रेशन होकर जो आपको सुनेंगे, आपके साथ काम करने वाला वो चाहिए, वो मिल गए आपको। ये 11 months में आपने जो made that such a massive 20 hours work per day. It is not a simple thing. That is what your dedication, determination, decision, dedication, determination. ये डिसीजन को ऊपर आपका डेडिकेशन एंड डिटर्मिनेशन विल लेड टू एक्शन। एक काम के उसके साथ आपने बताया, आपने इनिशियली बाहर में लोगों को सोशल मीडिया में कन्विंस करना, इट इज नॉट इजी एज यू सेड, अनलेस वी आर वेरी पावरफुल इन ऑल द फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स। उस समय मैं अपने से पूछ कर आऊंगा बताइए तो वो भाग जाएगा, कभी भी वापस नहीं आएगा। एंड कंपनी प्रोडक्ट मार्केटिंग प्लान में, पैसिव इनकम में आपने इनफ स्टडी करके उसको कैसा कंसाइजली प्रिसाइजली बताना, वो करके आपने रियल प्रोस्पेक्ट विच आर टर्निंग इनटू द रिजल्ट एक्शन, उसको आप कन्वर्ट किया। अभी आपने जो बताया हमको, नंबर कितना भी नंबर हो तो लीडर नहीं तो कुछ भी हो नहीं सकता। इसीलिए लीडर्स को क्रिएट करने में आपने लग गया। लॉ ऑफ एवरेजेस, that is the secret of success in every business, more particularly network marketing.
Yeah, exactly.
This works only through law of averages. And so law of averages को apply किया, and आपने very persistently करके अच्छा लीडर को नाइजीरिया में कामयाब बनने में आप प्रयास किया। एंड यू हैव डन ए गुड थिंग। आपने आपका टाइम को केरला में वेस्ट नहीं किया। अभी हमारा लोग भी बहुत कुछ है, अभी मैं ही बताता हूँ। हमने हमारा नेटिव से बाहर जाना नेटवर्क को बनाने के लिए, कभी भी स्ट्रेंजर्स विल बिल्ड योर बिजनेस। स्ट्रेंजर्स कौन है? हमको जो नहीं मालूम है, मे बी अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, अदर स्टेट, अदर कंट्री, दे आर ऑल स्ट्रेंजर्स। All our business is ultimately, big business is built by the strangers. That is again it works. We have to reach to the strangers. क्यों हम stranger को reach नहीं होता है? हम सोचते हैं वो क्या सोचेंगे, वो क्या हमको मानेंगे या नहीं, इस तरह का unnecessary doubt. It is nothing wrong in talking to anybody and everybody. Out of your town, out of your cities, out of your states. I am asking, in India we have such a beautiful states, such a huge country, and if we are going out to build the business, Indian market is 1,000 times more powerful than any other market in the world. We have not scratched, but anyhow now you concentrate. We always say network marketing may build locally and go globally. So work locally, think globally, because afterwards your network will go. But you have done opposite. So work globally, think locally. And I also wish Mr. Pradeep, you will build a big business in Kerala and get me a very good leaders to RVC.
Sure.
Very big network all over the globe together as one system, one leadership, one market, one people. Wish you all the best.
All right.
Go crowd. Good.
Thank you. With your blessings, I think